Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and remove accounts on Dell 7320 Detachable. So to do it, I'm gonna click here and on the settings button, but you can open the settings in a different way that you prefer, and go to accounts. Now go to other users, and you can click on add account. Now it will get you to the Microsoft account, so you can either hand the device to that other user so they sign into their Microsoft account, or if you don't want to use a Microsoft account and want to use a local login, or you want to create an account, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then you can either create an account or set add a user without a Microsoft account. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and now set the username. Here you can set the password, so you need to enter it twice, and if you don't want to set a password you can also do that, but you need to know that it will be less secure because everyone will be able to access the account without the password. So to not make a password, just leave these two boxes blank and click on next, and now the account is created. You can also click here and change account type, and you can set it to standard user or administrator, but I wouldn't recommend setting it to administrator if that's not you, if that's another user, and especially if that account doesn't have a password. So I'll leave it as standard user and click on OK. You can remove the account here, and to log into that account you can just click on the start button right here. So let's do it. Then click on the account, your account right here, and click on three dots, and here are other users. You can select the other user and then you will log into that user. So just click on login and it will log you in. It will take a moment to configure all that, and I'll get back to you in a moment after it configures. Now you need to set up a few things. So I'm gonna just revoke access to these options, and now you can see that I'm in the account of that person. You can see it's kind of different because it's a fresh account, and you can also sign out of the accounts, and then you will get to the lock screen, and in the lock screen you can just switch the accounts right here. So I'm gonna switch to that one and scan my fingerprint, and now I'm logged in. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.